Class 5 English, Unit 7. What goes around comes around. Exercise है. Read the given sentences and notice the use of words starting with consonant and vowel sounds. The frog splashed around and swam, croaking about as if he had done an admirable feat. The frog intended to get into mischief. Mariam likes to eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Only 8 apples were left in this basket. Naima is a bright student of our university. Write 5 words starting with consonant and vowel sounds each in your notebook. Words starting with consonant sound: cat, drag, frighten, give, mouse. Words starting with vowel sounds: apple, eye, inkpot, orange, umbrella. Read and practice the given dialogue. Hen, hello mouse, how are you? Mouse, I am fine, thank you, how are you? Hen, I am good, you look in a hurry. Where are you going? Mouse, yes, I am getting late. I am going with the frog to see the underwater world. Crow, hello hen and mouse, what are you both discussing? Mouse looks happy today. Hen, he is going with the frog to the underwater world. Crow, oh, it seems interesting, but it can be dangerous for you. This frog is naughty, so be aware of him. Mouse, I will take care of myself. You don't need to worry. Thank you for your advice, Crow. Crow, okay, bye. Mouse, bye. Hen, goodbye. Answer the questions. Why does the frog tie his foot to the mouse's foot? It is because the frog wants to take the mouse into the pond in order to show him the wonderful underwater world. What happened at the end of the story? A hawk caught the dead mouse, which was still tied to the frog. The hawk ate both of them. Thus, the unkind frog met his fate. Write the summary of the fable you have just read. Once a frog tied his foot to a mouse. Then he took the mouse into the pond where he lived to show him the wonderful underwater world. But when the mouse reached underwater, he got frightened because he was quite unable to breathe. He requested the frog to get him out of the water. But the cruel frog did not pay attention to his request. Soon the mouse drowned. Just at the moment, a hawk appeared from nowhere and caught the dead mouse, which was still tied to the frog. He ate both of them. Thus the unkind frog met his fate. उसके बाद है कि फेबल क्या होता है. A fable is a short story with animal characters. यानी ये ऐसी छोटी सी कहानी होती है जिसके तमाम करेक्टर्स जानवर होते हैं. इट हैज़ अ मॉरल लेसन, और इसका कोई ना कोई सबक भी ज़रूर होता है. इट इज़ नॉट बेस्ड ऑन एनी रियलिटी. इसका हकीकत से कोई भी ताल्लुक नहीं होता. इसके बाद ये बताया हुआ है कि एक फैबल के लिए कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स का होना ज़रूरी है. इसको आप बुक में से खुद पढ़ लें. इसमें कोई ऐसा सवाल नहीं है कि जो सॉल्व करने वाला हो. विच इज़ योर फेवरेट करेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी? My favorite character of the story is Hawk, who rightly punished the frog for his unkindness. Read the given story and fill in the blanks with the correct words given below. Once there lived a hare and a tortoise in a forest. The dash was very proud of his speed. यहाँ पर आएगा hare. He used to make fun of the dash for being too slow. Tortoise. One day the tortoise dashed the hare to a race, challenged. The hare accepted the challenge. The race started. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise was much behind, left. The hare got tired and stopped to have some rest under a tree. He fell asleep. Tortoise passed him and reached the post. The tortoise passed him and reached the winning post. The hare dashed up and ran as fast as he could. Woke. He saw that the tortoise was already there at dash winning post. The tortoise had dashed the race. Won. Read the story again and write its summary in your own words in your notebook. Once a frog tied his foot to a mouse. Then he took the mouse into the pond where he lived to show him the wonderful underwater world. But when the mouse reached underwater, he got frightened because he was quite unable to breathe. He requested the frog to get him out of the water. But the cruel frog did not pay any attention to his request. Soon the mouse drowned. Just at the moment, a hawk appeared from nowhere and caught the dead mouse, which was still tied to the frog. He ate both of them. Thus, the unkind frog met his fate. Read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. The frog lived in dash for most of his life. Water. The frog tied the mouse foot to his own with a piece of dash. Thread. The poor dash drowned and his body floated on the surface of the water. Mouse. As you sow, so shall you dash. Reap. The hawk had a good dash. Supper. Read the given words with their meanings. Croaking. A sound made by a frog. आवाज जो मेंढक पैदा करता है. Intent. The purpose to do something. कुछ करने का इरादा. Drag. To pull somebody. किसी को खींचना. Frightened. Afraid. खौफजदा. Pounced. Sprang forward suddenly so as to catch something. किसी चीज को पकड़ने के लिए यकायक हरकत में आना. Compound words are formed when two words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Compound words वो होते हैं जिसमें दो अल्फाज को मिलाया जाता है और उससे नया लफ्ज और नया मतलब बन जाता है. Read the given compound words. इनमें आप compound words को देखें, आपकी नॉलेज में इजाफा होगा. Birth, day. दो मुख्तलिफ अल्फाज को मिलाकर एक लफ्ज बनाया गया है. After, noon. Back, bone. Chair, man. Air, port. Milk, shake. Make compound words by combining the words from the word bank. Table, spoon. Bed, room. Sun, shine. Air, port. Tooth, brush. Moon, light. Homonyms are words that sound the same and have the same spelling also but the different meanings. Homonyms वो अल्फाज हैं जिनमें स्पेलिंग भी एक जैसी होती है, आवाज़ भी एक जैसी होती है, लेकिन उनका मतलब अलग अलग होता है. Read the given homonyms and their use. Sink. बर्तन धोने की जगह. There are some plates in the kitchen sink. दूसरे सिंक का मतलब है डूबना. The ship sinks to the bottom of the sea. Tie. Tie का मतलब है बांधना. Please tie a knot in this rope. Tie. Tie का मतलब है जो हम गले में बांधते हैं, tie. He likes to wear a tie and a shirt. Park. Park का मतलब होता है गाड़ी खड़ी करना. They usually park their cars outside their house. Park, तफरीगा. The children are playing in the park. Bank, किनारा. Ali bought a house near the river bank. Bank, Sarah opened an account in a bank. Match, माचिस की तीली. Could you please light a matchstick? Match, खेलों का मुकाबला. They won the cricket match. Read the given sentences and circle the correct words from the given homonyms. The apples are beginning to drop from the trees. तो आएगा drop. He held the bird gently in his palm. यहाँ पर आएगा palm, the inner surface of the hand between the wrist and the fingers. The key was hanging from a nail. आएगा a small pointed piece of metal with a flat head. Use the given homonyms in your own sentences in your notebook. Right, Drust, your answer is not right. Right, Haq, you have no right to stop me. Fair, Jais, the punishment was not fair. Fair, Mela, they took the kids to a fair. Glasses, Anak, I put on my glasses to protect my eyes. Glasses, glass, I saw many glasses on the table. Well, Kuan, the god fell into the well. Well, acha, the child plays the piano well. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. WONDERFUL, wonderful. THREAD, thread. SURFACE, surface. DROWNED, droned. SUPPER, supper. Next है read the given sentences and notice the use of personal pronouns. The frog hurt itself while playing. इसमें itself personal pronoun है. Ali introduced himself to his new neighbor. Himself personal pronoun है. God helps those who help themselves. Themselves personal pronoun है. Sana bought a dress for herself. Herself personal pronoun है. You should complete your assignment yourself. Yourself personal pronoun है. We are enjoying ourselves. Ourselves personal pronoun है. I prepare lunch myself. Myself personal pronoun है. Use the personal pronouns on the previous page in your sentences and write them in your notebook. Myself. I hurt myself when I was cutting a tree. Ourselves. We blamed ourselves of the accident. Himself. He said to himself. Herself. Why did she punish herself? Themselves. How did they kill themselves? Read the given interrogative sentences and notice the use of different forms of be and do. अच्छा, be has 4 forms in the present. अगर प्रेजेंट जुमला है तो उसमें अगर कहीं पे बी होगा तो उसमें जुमले को देखते हुए 4 अल्फाज का हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इज, एम, आर, बी. ठीक है. और बी हैज़ 2 फॉर्म्स इन द पास्ट, वाज, वर. और अगर पास्ट में जुमला होगा तो उसमें हम बी की जगह पर वाज और वर का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. डू हैज़ 2 फॉर्म्स इन द प्रेजेंट, डू एंड डज. और डू की अगर प्रेजेंट का जुमला होगा तो उसमें डू और डज में से किसी एक का इस्तेमाल होगा. डू हैज़ 1 फॉर्म इन द पास्ट, डिड. और डू की पास्ट में सिर्फ एक फॉर्म है, डिड. ठीक है. तो देखते हैं, इन जुमलों को गौर से पढ़ते हैं. इज द हॉक ईटिंग अ फ्रॉग? आर द बॉयज प्लेइंग? एम आई रीडिंग अ स्टोरी बुक? वाज अनम कुकिंग पास्ता? वर अ फ्रॉग एंड अ माउस स्विमिंग इन द पॉन्ड? अब डू और डज का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं. डज अली राइड अ बाईसाइकिल? डू वी गेट अप अर्ली? डिड दे लर्न अ लेसन? नेक्स्ट है राइट इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द फॉर्म्स ऑफ बी एंड डू इन योर नोटबुक. एम आई अ स्टूडेंट? इज ही डूइंग वेल एट स्कूल? आर दे हैप्पी? was the mouse dead? were the students making a noise? अब डू और डज का यूज देख लेते हैं. डू यू लिव हियर? डज ही प्ले क्रिकेट? डिड दे एंजॉय द ट्रिप? रीराइट द गिवन सेंटेंसेस बाय एडिंग करेक्ट पंक्चुएशन इन योर नोटबुक. तो अब इन जुमलों को आप गौर से देख लें. मैं आपके लिए लिख रही हूँ. सारा इज 22 years old. ओह, what a beautiful scene it is. The frog deceived the poor mouse. Do you know the moral of this story? It is raining outside. Write a fable about your favorite animals. Also note the elements of the fable learned previously from the reading section in your notebook. Once upon a time there was a dog. He was very hungry. He found a piece of meat. He picked up the piece of meat and ran away. On the way, there was a stream. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought that there was another dog with a piece of meat. He barked at him to get the piece. His own piece of meat fell into the water. Thus, he had nothing to eat and remained hungry. Moral: greed is a curse. Once there were two friends who were crossing the jungle. After some time, they saw a bear coming towards them. Then one of the friends quickly climbed the nearby tree, and the other one did not know how to climb the tree. So he lays down on the ground, holding his breath. The bear reaches near him and sniffs him in the air. After some time, bear left the place thinking the man is dead. Now the other friend climbs down and asks his friend, what did the bear say to him in his ear? He replied, to be safe from the fake friends. Moral: be aware of fake friends.